Hi, I am Sri, Uncle Sri. Let us learn mathematics. I was not well few days. I couldn't shoot videos. So I feel better today, right? And today is 9th January 2021. So let us learn and continue with fractions. What I am going to teach you today is proper fraction, okay, and then we will learn improper fraction, okay, and then we will learn mixed numbers, okay. What are mixed numbers? It will have a whole number and it will have a fraction. It will have a whole number and it will have a fraction. We will learn all that. They all are very simple. I'll make it very easy for you, right? So, first let me take a rectangular strip, okay? Now let me draw a rectangle. Fine. But I should draw with the proper size, okay? So, let me take the measurement properly. Yeah, okay. Because fractions are equal. They all should be of equal parts. One cannot be big, one cannot be small. Okay, I am going to now take measurement, right? This is 1 and this is 2 and this is 3. Okay. Let me take 3 and also I can take one more, then I can do this problem 3 and this is 4, right? So let me close this, okay, let me close this, let the rectangle. Now let me draw parts of it, 1 part, 2 part and 3 parts, 1 part, 2nd part, 3rd part and 4th part. So, we say 1 by 4, right, plus 1 by 4, plus 1 by 4, yes, and then you take further, okay, and one more 1 by 4, okay. What all these are equal to? Equal to 1, okay. So, what do? Write a common denominator. 4 is common in all, okay, and this is addition. So what you do is that 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is nothing but 4 ones are 4. So the answer is 1. You already know this. Now, what I am going to do? I am going to make something different, okay? I am going to draw one more rectangle, okay? Let me draw one more rectangle, identical rectangle. This rectangle is identical to the above one, okay? So, I have taken now equal value, okay? They both are similar. 1, 2, 3 lines I draw and I get 4 parts. They both are identical. 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. What is this? This is 1. Okay. Now I have taken 1, 4. I have taken 1, 4. And I have taken 1, 4 and I have taken 1, 4 and this represents 1. Now what I am going to do? I am going to take from this another 1, 4. So total how many 1, 4s are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The value is going to be 5 divided by 4. What is it? 5 divided by 4. Okay. You see this number 5? 5 is greater than 4. Okay, that means this is, what is this actually? This is numerator. What is this called? Denominator. What did we say? New Delhi, right? Numerator and denominator, but numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator. That is called improper fraction. What is it called? Improper fraction. We will take one more example, right? Now I am going to take one more part and I take one more part, right? Now what does this fraction represent? Let us see what it is going to represent. Okay, now let me again write it carefully, count it and then write it carefully. Okay, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4. Okay, now you see this represents 7 divided by 4. Okay, what is 7 divided by 4? Is it a proper fraction or improper fraction? I say it is a improper fraction. Now, what does it mean by improper fraction? That is, the numerator is greater than denominator. That is, 7 is greater than 4. Then it is called improper fraction. Okay, now you ask, Uncle Sri, what is proper fraction? If this is improper, what is proper fraction? Yes, I will tell you. 1 by 4 is a proper fraction. Why this is called proper fraction? You see, watch carefully. This is the numerator and this is the denominator, but numerator is lesser than denominator. When numerator, the up one, is smaller than the denominator, that is called proper fraction, and that is 1 is lesser than 4. 1 is smaller than 4. So let us learn important two things. One is proper fraction. Proper fraction where numerator is less than denominator. Yes, I can give you one more example. 3 by 4. Yes, I can take 5 by 6. I can say 1 by 3. I can say 2 by 7. I can say anything number, right? You see, I have taken 4 by 9. Everywhere you see numerator is smaller than the denominator. The number below the line, they are bigger. So they are called proper fraction. Okay. Now what is improper fraction? It is opposite of proper fraction, right? What is that? Simple. The numerator is greater than denominator. 7 by 4, right? Now think of it. 6 by 5. Think of this 4 by 3. Think of this 9 by 4. Think of this 3 by 1. Think of this 7 by 2. All of them are opposite to proper fraction. If the numerator, the above the line, is greater than what is below the line, then it is called improper fraction. You understand what is proper fraction and improper fraction? Don't worry so much, right? You will understand when you do more and more problems. Okay, so let me do one step now. Today let me teach you something more about fractions. Okay, more important and interesting things I will teach you. Okay, yes. Now I have got this. Let me take this again. Let me erase this part. Okay, Again, let me redraw one more time. Okay. Yes. Now this is, I am going to draw identical rectangle. Identical means similar. See what I am doing? Yes. Let me carefully do it. Yes. Okay, right. Now, look at here. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Okay. Now, I am going to add one more to this. Right. So, can I write? Now, 1 is the whole and this is fraction. I will write this as 1 by 4. What will I write it? 1 by 4. What is 1 by 4? It is a mixed number. What is this called? Mixed number. Okay. Now what is this in improper fraction? You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is equal to 5 parts of what? 4 divisions. We have made it into 4. So we can say 1 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4. How is that possible? How is it possible? Yes, this is how you learn it. First you learn it like this. I will do one more point. I will show you and then I will explain it to you how you can change it. Okay. So let me take now 2 more parts. Let me take 1. Next one 2. I have taken 2 more parts. Let us see now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 parts. So that becomes 1. Fine. That is equal to 1. Very good. That whole number is there. 1 whole. Now after that 1 in the equal, this is both are equal. Okay. Now I am taking 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts. Right. I am taking 3 parts divided by, out of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So divided by 4. So what is this number? This is called a mixed number. A mixed number has one number, whole number, and then it is having 3 divided by 4. It has a fraction. So it mixed number has a whole number and also it has a fraction. This is called mixed number. You understand? Okay. Now what we will do? We will take one more example. Fine. See, watch carefully now. How I complete this whole thing. So how much I will have? This is another one. Okay. So how many rectangles are there? 1 rectangle, 2 rectangles. So 1 plus 1 is how much? 1 plus 1 is how much? 1 plus 1 is 2. Yes. Now, I am going to take one more rectangle. And this is the same identical rectangle. Yes. 12. Okay. 12 centimeter I have taken. Identical. Right. I am drawing it. Identical. Okay. Now I complete it here. Identical. Okay. Now let me draw, make it into parts. 1 part, 2 parts, and 3 parts and 4 parts. Okay? Now how many rectangles are there? 1 rectangle, 2 rectangle. 2 rectangle are full. Okay? I have taken 2 rectangles. Now I come to third rectangle. In third rectangle, I am going to take first part. Okay? So this represents how much? It represents 1 by 4. Okay? So I write 1, 2, 2, 1 by 4. This is a mixed number. Why is this a mixed number? Because it has a whole number and it has a fraction. So when it has a whole number and it has a fraction, then it is called a mixed number. Yes? Shall I do one last example? Yes? Now, let me take now one more part then, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 4, yeah. Yes. Now tell me, what is this? 1, 2. 2 whole numbers are over. Now how many parts we are taking? 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts. That means it is 2, 3 divided by 4. 2 is the whole number and 3 by 4 is the fraction, and this is called mixed number, right? And mixed number is an improper fraction. How? Let us count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 divided by, each one is how many parts? 4 parts. So this number 2, 3 by 4 is equal to 11 by 4. 11 is numerator. It is greater than denominator. That means it is a improper fraction and a mixed number because it has a whole number and a fraction. And in the next video, I will teach you how we can convert from this to this and this to this, and then you will enjoy. You will understand better, right? Enjoy learning mathematics. Thank you. Take care.